Hello, my dear students. Good evening, all of you. Today, I'd like to discuss with you about the English language. Actually, though you know English, but sometimes you make mistakes. But don't afraid of English language. It is a very simple language. English is an international language, and you have to try to practice by yourself. If you practice daily, then you can get better result. My suggestions to all the students of class 6 to 12 is that you have to practice daily 2 or 3 sentences by yourself, and you make the sentence by yourself and it will get better result by yourself. My dear students, I have seen that you know English, but you make mistakes in where you have to put the sentence or the subject plus verb plus object. You sometimes make mistakes. But if you practice daily, you don't afraid of it that we are going to mistakes. But if you practice daily the 1 or 2 sentence or 3 sentence, then it will make your habit. You make the habit of speaking English also. Speaking and writing goes simultaneously in your brain. Whatever you think the words, you think in English. Actually, my dear students, the defect is that whatever you are learning a textbook, a lesson, then you memorize it and you translate to your mother tongue. The fault is not only you, the fault is the teaching method. So, if you don't translate it into your mother tongue, then you improve your English language. How can you improve? First, if you write 2 or 3 words daily, and by these words you make sentence, then it will remain in your brain, and then the speech automatically comes from you. This is the thing, that this is the technique to improve your English language. While you write or speak the English sentence, you have to first put the structure, or you know the structure of subject plus verb plus object. Then you know the verb forms. The verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4, you have to know it. And another thing is that how can you develop your English? Suppose you get up from your bed and then you say, I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. This is your sentence. Then if you say by yourself, it is good for you. And suppose you go to take your brush and you take the brush and then you can say, I brush my teeth every day. This is your correct English. And then if you say that I'm brushing my teeth, it is also correct. So likewise, you have to practice yourself. And there are some verbs like anomalous fineness. There are 24 anomalous fineness in English. You know how to use these verbs. And in another, the verbs, that the regular and irregular verb, you have to know the how we have to put these verbs. So please be attentive. I always with you. I am very pleased to hear with you. I would like to teach you English, and you have to try to speak English as well as to write English correctly. And it will be a very good result for you if you practice daily. The main thing is that you make the habit of speaking English and writing English by practicing. And if you make any mistakes, don't worry. Then the mistakes get you better opportunity to learn English language. Okay, my suggestion is that you have to, from today, you should learn the subject, verb, object, and I am always with you. I'm going to teach you all these things really, and you try your best. Thank you. My suggestion is that you don't forget to learn these things. First, you have to think the words. Daily, if you think 2 or 3 words, and in 1 month, you can get or you can collect the 30 words or sentences in English. And likewise, you have to develop your English. No difficulty, you will be fine. So thank you all of you